How to earn on Kraken. I will explain exactly how you can earn on Kraken on the Kraken normal app, but also on the Kraken Pro app. Because the Kraken Pro app is a little bit better, but let's try to explain you in a nutshell how to earn with the normal Kraken app. First of all, you need to deposit money on your account so you can invest. So please click on the thing you want to buy. So let's say euro. Choose your paying method and then we can start trading or investing. For example, I will show you exactly what you need to do. If you go to Bitcoin right here, you see every single time here the timeline with a decrease or increase in the price range. So let's say, for example, we do a timeline for 1 month. The thing that you need to do is you need to buy in a dip and you need to sell when it's increasing on a nice high point. So that is the game that you need to play every single time. So let's say, for example, we are picking the 6-month graph. So let's say we want to buy here on $102,000 and we want to sell it, let's say, on $108,000. Then it will decrease right here to 107, then we buy, and then we sell again here on $120,000. This is the game that you play every single time. Then if you go to the Kraken app, it's a little bit more clear on this application because we have green candles and red candles, and you want to buy after a long red candle right here, and you want to sell it after a long high green candle, so like this. So let's say, for example, you want to buy it right here on the 90,000. Then we wait, and then after 2 long candles, we sell it here on 92,000. This is a quick explanation about the basics from how to trade. I'm not giving you financial advice, it's just telling you how to earn money on the Kraken app. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.